This 2026 Tiffin Wayfarer Tiffin Mercedes-Benz 25XPW is a Class C RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.